The sharp rise in the number of new virus cases in Europe is still weighing on the pound sterling and the euro. The UK authorities are again calling for a removal to remote working. They have also introduced restrictions on visiting bars and restaurants. From Thursday, pubs, cafes and restaurants will only be allowed to operate in England up until 10 p.m. at night. Nevertheless, the epidemiological situation is getting worse and worse. For example, the number of new COVID-19 cases in Spain and France points to the fact that both countries will also impose containment measures in the near future. At the same time, analysts are worried about the fact that the economy has just begun to recover after the previous quarantine. Businesses will hardly cope with a new quarantine as there is neither money for resources. Moreover, the level of debt is already extremely high. In other words, the second wave of the coronavirus will have even more serious consequences. Moreover, the speech provided by Christine Lagarde had a negative influence on the euro. President of the ECB criticized the exchange rate of the euro and pessimistically assessed the dynamic of the recovery process of the European economy. It's obvious that amid such news, investors do not pay attention to statistical data. Moreover, the macroeconomic calendar is not rich in events today. The only important report will disclose changes in the new home sales in the United States. According to the forecast, the indicator will advance by 0.9%. However, at the moment, it's more important that the epidemiological situation in the United States is quite stable. Thus, there is no use to discuss a new quarantine. The euro-dollar pair managed to break the limit of 1.1826 and dropped to 1.1755. The pair hit the mentioned level for the fifth time. As a rule, it shows down after reaching this level. However, the key support is located at 1.1700. According to the chart, sellers are still controlling the market. That may push the price to 1.1700. If the price fixes below 1.1690 on the 4-hour chart, the structure of the sideways channel may be changed. Otherwise, the quote will rebound to fluctuate within the 7-week range of 1.1700, 1810 and 1910. The pound-dollar pair declined below 1.2770 for the first time since July. The correctional movement of 1.2770 and 1.30 is considered to be complete. Moreover, the midterm upward tendency is under question. According to the chart, the price tested at the support level of 1.2770, where traders usually started to fix their short positions. If the quote fixes below 1.2770, it's likely to slump to 1.2620 and 25. Market uncertainty may prevail until the price reaches the level of 1.2885. That's all for now. We continue to learn developments on financial markets. Subscribe to our channel and keep abreast on latest events with us. See you in a couple of hours on our channel with a new video.